What I wish I knew about dog shows, they're the ultimate blend of fun, action and furry magic. This is not just any dog show. The ultimate dog show is a celebration of canine athleticism and charm. Ever watched a dog dive into a pool aiming for the longest splash? That's dock diving for you. And then there's agility, where dogs zip through obstacle courses like furry ninjas. Frisbee trick. Oh yeah, we've got those too, yeah. Did you know that Border Collies are agility champs? Or that Labrador Retrievers rule at dock diving? Each breed brings something special to the table. But it's not just about the competition. It's about celebrating the bond between humans and their four-legged pals. So grab a seat, cheer for your favourite pooch, and let's unleash the fun at the Ultimate Dog Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more pawsome content.